Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get FPS meter and GPU status on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Now once this app is downloaded, just go back and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Now once you have installed both of these apps on your smartphone, after that just go to the settings app, then go to about phone. From here just tap on software information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just tap on OK. Now once you enable developer options, just go back, then tap on developer options. And from here just enable USB debugging and wireless debugging. Now just select allow and enable both of these options. Now once you enable both of these options, just go to your home screen and open the Shizuku app. Then tap on pairing and tap on notification options. Now just enable this toggle. After that, just go back and tap on developer options. Now from here, just tap on wireless debugging and select pair device with pairing code. Now a notification will pop up at the top of the screen. Just tap on it and select enter pairing code. Now just enter your pairing code right here. Now once you enter your pairing code, just tap on send. After that, just go back to the Shizuku app and go back, then tap on start. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the FPS monitor app. Now just tap on start and select grant permission. Now just tap on start one more time and select grant permission. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the FPS monitor app. Once you do that, just go back and tap on start. Now just select go to settings and enable this toggle. After that, just go back and tap on start. Now just give this app this permission. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the FPS monitor on our smartphone. And if you tap on overlay, you can select which data you want to show in the FPS monitor. Just like that. Now to show the GPU status, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Now just select download APK. Now just select download, then tap on open. From here, just select install, then tap on open. Now just select allow. After that, just select agree and tap on ADB mode. Now from here, just enable this toggle and select agree. Now just select allow all the time, then tap on ADB mode. After that, on this page, just tap on the graph icon at the top of the screen. Now if this error shows on the screen, just go to your home screen, then tap and hold on the scene app. Then tap on the eye icon over here. Now from here, just tap on appear on top and enable this toggle. After that, just go back to the scene app and tap on the graph icon one more time. And from here, just enable classic monitor. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the FPS meter and the GPU status on our smartphone. And from here, you can find different styles of the GPU status. Just enable the one which you like the most. And this is how you can get FPS meter and GPU status on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.